How do you say hair?
Cabelo.
How do you say toy?
Brinquedo.
How do you say cold?
Frio.
How do you say nature?
Natureza.
How do you say candle?
Vela.
How do you say kiss?
Beijo.
How do you say leg?
Perna.
How do you say street?
Rua.
How do you say game?
Jogo.
How do you say eye?
Olho.
How do you say ice?
Gelo.
How do you say snake?
Cobra.
How do you say pineapple?
Abacaxi.
How do you say store?
Loja.
How do you say wave?
Onda.
How do you say girlfriend?
Namorada.
How do you say avocado?
Abacate.
How do you say purse?
Bolsa.
How do you say hot?
Quente.
How do you say beach?
Praia.
How do you say floor?
Chão.
How do you say dust?
Poeira.
How do you say jacket?
Jaqueta.
How do you say face?
rosto,
How do you say cheese?
queijo,
How do you say park?
parque,
How do you say nut?
castanha,
How do you say onion?
cebola,
How do you say light?
luz,
How do you say farm?
fazenda,